Hello, I'm Raul Garcia.
Hi, and I'm Sunny Lee.
So Sunny, I have an update for an aftermarket kit for our ZE5 print engines.
Really? Tell me more about it.
Well, we try to listen to what the market is saying out there, and we've had partners and customers request an easier way to remove and clean the peel bracket on our print engines.
Really? Why is it necessary to remove and clean the peel bracket?
Well, typical use cases of our print engines are at the highest of duty cycles, and this requires periodic cleaning of adhesive buildup on the bracket, especially in this area right here.
Okay, so how does this new design differ from the older one?
Well, the new design is an optional aftermarket kit that is easier to remove and replace.
Okay, so how easy is it?
Well, it's funny you should ask that. This new bracket is a toolless design, and all you have to do is push and snap the bracket into place.
Wow, I never knew it could be that simple on such a high duty cycle printer as the ZE500s. How can customers get this upgrade?
Well, it's pretty simple. See the part numbers below. This kit will work for both the current ZE511 and ZE521 and the previous model of the ZE500-4 and ZE500-6.
Wow, that's awesome. I know at Zebra we're always trying to improve upon our designs. It's really cool to see those improvements put into action.
It sure is. Well, Sunny, thanks for the discussion, and we'll see everybody again soon. Bye.
Bye, guys.